Hello, I'm Christina from Scraps of Love. Today I'm going to share with you Distress Oxide inks with the Neuvo dual-tipped blending brushes. We're going to use these to create a adorable background. We're going to play around a bit. Alright, so I'm going to start with my, if you see, I've kind of used one per color family. Alright, so I haven't used this one yet, so I'm going to use this one for the fossilized amber. I'm going to try and create a sunset look. So we're going to start, if you notice, you can do a swirly and it's going to be really creamy kind of a look, okay? Or you can tap and it's going to be more of a stipple or lightly, I'm going to bring in this one I did a little earlier with the purple. So this is a stippling from pounds, 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 pounds versus this side where it's a sweeping motion and you'll get more of a creamy look. Alright, so we're going to finish with our little sun here. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into some of the spiced marmalade. Tap on a little color here. Get the little swirly around the edges. And this is done on it's not glossy, but it's a little bit of a glossy surface, so it's a little bit easier to blend it together. I am so I'm adding some of the spiced marmalade and bringing out a little bit more of the color around the edges, working towards a sunset kind of a look. And I'm going to go ahead and add some little pink. It's really, ooh, I'm liking this one a lot. Do some swirls to blend it a little bit more. Do you see how that color is just blending together? I'm going to add a little bit of the candied apple. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a spritz of water to blend some of these colors out a little bit more. And do you see? Woo! Alright, so as long as it has not been heat set, it's still reactive with water. Once we heat set it, this is now going to become permanent color. And as you notice, the paper is going flat while we are heat setting. I'm just going to take a paper towel here and hit anything where there's still a little too much wet. And I'm coming back with these colors again to make them a little more vibrant. My sun, and then I'm going to come back with a little more of the candied apple and then some of the wilted violet. Ooh, look at how pretty this is getting. So let's do a little spritz again and blend a little more of the colors. You can then take your paper towel and see how it takes away some of the color. You can see the little more of the water droplets there. But because this was heat set, that one's not going to go away there. Ooh, that's pretty. See how that's coming along? And you just keep playing and playing until you get what you like. I think I am almost done here. I think I'm going to add a little texture here at the bottom with, let's do the red. Candied apple. Spritz. And you do not have to spritz each time, you just do need to remember to heat set each time. But I kind of like the way it mixes the colors together. And so I am heat setting, and I'm going to be done with this one. I'm going to call it good. So I don't know if you can see this corner. This is my favorite corner right here. Do you see all where we've got the water droplets, we have the stencil, we have the mix of colors. All right, and now it's ready to be made into a piece of artwork. You can lay it on the front of a card. We've got these cute die cut of cactuses you can add. You can make it onto put it in your journal, put it in your scrapbook. Super cute and super fun. All right, there's another card that we did. You can still see the stencil in there. You can see the water droplets. You can stamp on it after you're finished. We just used an archival ink. All right, thank you for watching. We'll see you again.